Find features that distinguish it from other brands for YunStartics portable car jump starter with air compressor. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. 7-in-1 jump starter. The portable car kit not only works with as jump starter at peak current of 2000 amp, also functions as tire inflator up to 150 psi with instant display of tire pressure. Air mattress pump or deflator up to 350 liter per minute, LED light with 3 modes, flashlight, strobe, SOS, and portable power bank with Type-C cable. Powerful jump starter. Equipped with high-rate lithium battery, the jump starter can quickly and effectively start 7.5L gas and 5.0L diesel engine and other 12V vehicles like motorcycles, cars, or lawn mowers. The upgraded smart jumper cable can safely start all engines with automatic protection against high or low temperatures, under voltage or over voltage. Accurate tire inflator. The air compressor in the jump box takes just 60 seconds to inflate leaky tires from 32 to 36 psi with accurate readings within 1% of the exact tire pressure. The air pressure reaches up to 150 psi. Offers 4 intelligent modes and nozzles to inflate: car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and basketball mode. Fast inflation and deflation. The air pump has a flow rate of inflation and deflation up to 350 liter per minute, inflate various items, including balloons, swim rings, air mattresses, and even serve as a dust blower. The pump can release 220 liter of gas in 1 minute, which is helpful for storing your mattress outdoors. Also has an deflation port that can drain the gas out of the quilt storage bag. Perfect for mattress installation and storage during car camping time. Power bank and 3 modes LED light. The jump starter features a Type-C port for its charging and a 5V/2 amp USB output port for other devices. The built-in LED light has 3 modes: flashlight, strobe light, and SOS light. It not only will be car emergency kit, but also is a good friend for camping, outdoors, emergencies and travel. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.